Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. Today is about retouching or rather relaxing my hair, and I'm going to be teaching you how to do it. So I'm using my Profectiv Mega Growth for this. This is actually the relaxer I use for my hair. I use it regularly for strength, and it does wonders actually. I don't really know the relaxer you use, but just use any relaxer that is perfect for your hair. So guys, this is what is inside. I think it's about six of this. Yeah, I think it's about six of this. So yeah, that's it, six of this. So let's see what's inside. Okay, we have the instruction book. Let's see. Oh, we have the spatula for mixing, gloves, which is very necessary, and just the book. It's actually in different languages, like, oh, that's another glove. Okay, so this instruction book is in English language. We have in French, we have in, I think, Portuguese, and some other languages too. So in case if you want to know how to make good of this, you just read the instruction book and that's it. So I'll be mixing two of this relaxer. I'll be using two actually. So this is my mixing bowl and the spatula that came with it. And please do not use any other thing aside from using what came with the relaxer. And I'll be dividing my hair into 4 parts. Nothing perfect, just make sure you get 4 parts. That's it. So I squeeze out everything in this bowl and I'll be mixing it very well. So guys, make sure you use a plastic bowl and mix it very well. Make sure you mix very well, guys. So I'm using this Vaseline blue seal to apply around my scalp to prevent it from getting burnt. So I'm putting on the gloves to prevent any kind of after effect or whatsoever, just to make sure my hands are protected from any chemicals, burns or anything at all. So oh my god guys, let's do this. So I'm done mixing and we're about to start, so stay tuned. I'm starting from the back. So guys, if you're going to be using this, my method of retouching, please guys, be very fast, like be very fast so you won't burn your hair. So guys, that's one of the secrets about doing this at home. You have to be fast while doing this. One thing I love about doing this is just sitting at home, relaxing, and just feeling at home, no stress. As you can see, I'm sipping a bottle of wine. You can just eat, drink, anything you want to do. So guys, I'm just waiting for some minutes and I'll go and wash it off. So guys, I'm out of the shower, so let's see. Wow, I love the result. My hair is so soft and I love everything about this. I'm happy. I love using this Mega Growth Profectiv relaxer because it gives me what I want. So guys, you can see I'm feeling myself and I'm happy with the results, guys. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that. It doesn't cost you anything, it doesn't cost money, guys. Just do that and like this video. Bye.